US indices traded sideways for the day. We have seen a struggle here on S&P 500 towards 608586 levels, in Tech 100 towards 21800, and US 30 towards 44800. What to expect now? Big day today. The NFP data going to set the markets on fire, whether it is going to be on the upside or on the downside, a rally or crash. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading the S&P, Nasdaq, and Dow today with the NFP data in the US session? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into S&P, followed with Nasdaq in the end, Dow, watch till the end. See, S&P so far for the day, 608586 indeed providing it a little resistance, but on the downside you can see the 20 period moving average coming to the rescue here. It is very, very important for it to trade below this. Also, I can see a double top formation, and thus now this time if it trades below 6074, 6070, you can look forward to the next move, which is going to take it towards 6060, 6064. Now remember, it is very, very important for S&P to trade below 604042 in order to confirm the bearishness today. Only and only if it trades below 604042, you can say that the bears are taking over, and then you can look forward to a greater correction. Else, as long as 604042 is respected, you have to be careful with the sells here. And though you can notice that if you divide this into two, what preceded this was a good dip, what could follow, this was the rise here, what could follow is a good dip. But yes, a breakout on the upside or above 6086, you can say we can look forward to a rise here where 6100, 6120 can be seen. Stochastic rising here, MACD has retraced, wait for a crossover here in order to confirm the bullishness. RSI trading comfortable. Look at the 2 hour charts. What's See, it has formed higher lows here, and I will wait for it to break below 607470, below which you can expect more bearishness. See, divide this into two, and possibly once it breaks out on the upside, you can look forward to a rise. Else, right now it is looking downwards, trying to suggest slight bearishness here. If you look at the stock, I think this is rising. The MACD has crossed over, trading with moderate divergence, moderate bearishness here. This can lead to a drop. RSI flat coming to 3. The observation is similar. Right now, it is very early to conclude. Only and only if it trades below 6070 and then 6060, you can expect more bearishness to follow. Else, it can give you a breakout here on the upside. Yes, possible, because see, it has taken this up. And now, once it breaks out on the upside above 6086, 6092 zone, you can just stay bullish from there. But as I said earlier in the day as well, till 6120, do not treat S&P as bullish. Hitting these highs, it can reverse sharply. Stochastic overbought, MACD is in green, trying to converge crossover, RSI flat. On the 4, the observation is similar. The moving averages have crossed over. These are trading with divergence. These are staying bullish. Notice that here the bullishness got diminished, but right now, as long as higher lows are seen, we can expect a reversal here. It is not showing any signs of bearishness here. So what I will recommend is a selling entries only below 6070 with the rider del till 6460 should be the first support zone, 605250 should be the second, and 604240 should be the third. As long as 6040 is respected, you have to be cautious with the sells here. Stochastic overbought, MACD green, RSI flat. Coming to daily. Now see, on the daily charts, what it has done, it has already seen higher highs, and see preceding candle already a bullish candle, though you can see the bullishness getting diminished, but it has set the stage here for a round of rise. If it stays beyond 6086, you can expect 6092 and then 6100, 6120 levels to be seen. Beyond this, you can see or wait for a stronger rally. What it has done, the rise, the flag formation, a breakout here, this breakout can lead to another round of rally here. Be mindful of this, but I will still not confirming, because see, the reversal chances are still strong. Why? Because this is getting slightly overbought here on the indicators and the chart. So now looking at this, a selling entry today is at 6070 and a buying entry at 6086. And remember, even if you're buying at 6086, you have to be careful of 6092, 6100, 6100, 1618, and then in fact, once it trades beyond 6100, 1618, you can look forward to a greater round of rise, which is going to take it towards 613540 or higher levels are possible. Though I do not expect this to happen, but yes, supported data can do wonders here. On the downside, sell at 6070, expect 606460, 605250, 604240. Below 6040, stay short for 6020, 6000, and in fact 5980 levels very, very, very soon. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq. See, Nasdaq 100, likewise, what we had seen with the S&P, it has taken the support from the 20 period. Very, very important for it to trade below the 20 period moving average. Let it stay below 21,730, 720. Earlier in the day, also I have mentioned this is going to be the support zone. What it did, it has moved towards the zone and bounced back. So now again, you have to wait for it to trade below 21,730, zone. That will confirm the next round of drop, which is going to take it towards 21,670, 21,640, 21,600, and once it trades below 21,600, you can look forward to a greater round of drop. Look at the formation. You can see symmetry here. You can see symmetry here. What preceded this was a round of rise. What could follow is a round of drop, or else once it breaks out beyond 21,800, 840, you can just stay bullish. Close your eyes, stay bullish from there. Stochastic rising. The MACD is right now trading with moderate bearishness. RSI running flat. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation here on the 2-hour. Look at the preceding few candles, higher lows, higher highs. Now it is very, very important for it to stay above 21,800 levels, which will confirm for the bullishness here, else it is not yet confirming the bullishness. I will wait for it to drop here, 730, 720. Once it takes, you can expect 700, 660, 600. And then below 600 is where more bearishness to follow. If you look at the stochastic, this is dropped. The MACD is in green. It has crossed over. It is trading with a divergence, which is suggestive of slight bearishness. RSI flat. On the 3-hour charts, similar observation here on the 3-hour charts. Only very point is the what it has done, consolidation. Just let it break below 730, 720, which will confirm the next round of drop. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is willing to cross over for sell, not yet crossed over though. RSI flat. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation. The preceding two candles are very. See, this could become a reversal sign, but let it break below 730, 720, and then we can expect the prices to erase all the gains from this candle and come down all the way down towards 21,600, 620. And then once it breaks below 21,600 is where you can expect a greater round of drop. Right now, it is not showing any signs of bearishness here. But what I can see here is, look at this, it is tapering here. It is tapering, which suggests that the bullishness is getting diminished. But it does not mean that it is showing reversal, because see, a breakout here can confirm another round of rally here. Right now I'm a bit skeptical of that, but yes, these are markets. These are right now staying bullish. Moving averages are also looking upwards. Stochastic overbought. MACD rising, RSI flat. Coming to daily charts, when you look at the daily, on the daily chart, similar observation. Notice the preceding two candles, see diminishing bullishness for these candles, and now it appears that it is ripe for a drop. But I will wait. See, higher highs it can form, means till at least 21,840 you have to be cautious, and on the downside till 21,600 you have to be cautious. This 240 points is where you have to exercise extra caution. Do not treat that it is giving a breakout as long as it stays between the. If you look at the stochastic, this is overbought. MACD has crossed over, and see, this is still showing an up move here. This is looking upwards, which is a good sign for the bulls. The RSI rising. So looking at this, what I'll recommend is that buy at 21,810, expect 21,840, 850, 21,900, 920, and then 21,970. Beyond this, you can expect a round of rise, which is going. If it breaks beyond 21,970, you can look forward to 22,050, 22,120, and 22,200 as the next targets. On the downside, a selling entry at 21,720, 730 can be taken, below which you can expect the next drop to take it towards 21,680, 21,640, 21,600, and below 21,600 is where you can look forward to a greater round of drop here. Take your positions accordingly. Below 21,600, we are looking at 21,500, 400 zone very, very soon. Let's move to Dow Jones. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts. We have seen a greater dip here. Now see, after that it is under retracement. Look at the waves here. Now till 44,700 you have to be careful with the sells. Only below 44,700 we can say now the bears are taking over, and then we can look forward to a round of drop here. As long as 44,700 is not taken, you have to be careful with the sells. And then below that till 44,400 is possible. But right now I can see what is happening. Look at these higher lows and higher highs. It is trading in this channel. The highs of this channel are now towards 45,200. Stochastic overbought. MACD has crossed over for the buys. The RSI flat. On the 2-hour charts, the observation is more or less same here. See, preceding candle is a swing here. We have to wait for it to trade below 44,700 levels in order to confirm a round of drop. Below 44,700, you can look forward to a possible move towards 44,650, 44,570, 500. And in fact, lower levels are possible, but right now it is not suggestive of such a greater drop. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish, RSI flat. On the 3-hour charts, if you look at, Now, see on the 3 hour chart, this is important to note that these two candles are pretty important. See, this will become a reversal sign. Notice diminishing bearishness here with these candles. This has become a reversal sign. Prices have taken the support here. It is delivering higher lows, which means it can deliver a breakout here. So now once it stays beyond 44,800, you can look forward to a rise here. The stochastic rising, the MACD is right now crossed over for a sell, right now trading bearish. RSI flat. Coming to 4 hour, similar observation here on the 4 hour charts, rise, retracement, rise, and see that despite the bullishness getting diminished, it is still staying bullish. And once it trades beyond 44,800 20 levels, you can look forward to another greener candle here, which could be increasing in body size, which can take the prices all the way towards 45,000 levels, and beyond that, sky is the limit on the upside. See, it can deliver higher lows, and it is delivering higher highs. Means 45,200 on the downside till 44,600. You have to be very careful with the selling entries. Stochastic rising, MACD is still in green, and RSI flat. Coming to the day, look at the daily charts. What's happening? You can see this. It has already formed higher lows, and it appears it is ready to deliver higher highs. But I am just getting a bit cautious with that, because see, already we have seen a rise, and we can see all a double top level, a struggle at around 45,000. This suggests that the possibility of a reversal will be high, and this time if it reverses, it may directly lend towards 44,400 and 200 levels. Yes, and below that, a greater correction to be seen. Notice what is happening. Look at this drop, then sideways movement, then a retracement. Now it has come down towards this zone, and this appears that it can take a dip from the current levels. Stochastic here is rising. The MACD is also at the top. The RSI is at top. So considering this, what I'll recommend is you can buy at 44,820, but then expect 44,860, 44,920, 44 and 45,050, 45,000 levels. These are going to remain the greatest resistance here on the upside. Beyond 45,000, 45,050 is stay bullish for 45. 180, 200 as well. Possibility is there that once it breaks out here on the upside, it can deliver a massive round of rise. Though I am a bit skeptical with that. On the downside, now I'll recommend a selling at only below 44,700, 720 zone, where you can 44,600, 620 at the first target zone, 44,550 and 500 at the next. Below 44,500, stay short. Stay short for a greater round of correction, which can take the prices further low. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Below 44,500, we can expect the next movement towards 44,400 directly. Trade accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my Signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support them. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the weekly reviews. Do not miss to watch it.